A very warm welcome from Robertson Homes at Thorn in Bearsden. We are so excited to introduce this stunning flagship development which is situated right in the heart of the town and also within the beautiful mature grounds of Bearsden Golf Club. My name is Diane. I have been part of the Robertson Homes team in the west of Scotland now for over 5 years, and I feel very honoured to have the opportunity of returning to Bearsden following on from the success of our previous development at Kilmerdinny Gate. I almost feel in a way like I'm going back home, and I'm really excited to meet and assist lots of new people and also reconnect with many familiar friendly faces. Robertson Homes is a family business that originated in Elgin more than 50 years ago. The company very successfully continues to design and deliver stunning family homes that are always set within the most beautiful sought after locations throughout Scotland and the northeast of England. Our goal is to always consistently provide an outstanding service and a customer journey that is second to none. Thorn will offer 47 luxury 4, 5 and 6 bedroom detached properties from the Artistry collection. Each home will include a signature garden room, ensuring lots of light, open plan and airy spaces. Bearsden is an affluent and leafy suburb which is located just 6 miles from the city centre and 11 miles from Glasgow Airport. It is renowned as being one of the most desirable places to live in Glasgow, and very easy to understand why so many people aspire to live in such a stunning location. The transport links are also excellent, hosting a train station within walking distance of the development and a fantastic local bus network. The amenities in Bearsden and nearby Milngavie are fantastic, with an array of cafes, restaurants, bars and lots of retail outlets close by. And for sports enthusiasts, there is a state-of-the-art sports centre in the making that will provide a fitness suite, swimming pool, indoor 5-a-side football pitches, tennis courts. There's also local bowling clubs, golf clubs and for the more adventurous even a dry ski slope. There really is plenty to explore and enjoy outdoors with Mugduck Country Park, Kilmerdinny Loch and the West Highland Way route. Bearsden has always been extremely popular with families. Local Academy has twice been acclaimed Scottish State School of the Year by the Sunday Times. It really is a very special place that has everything you could wish for and more. I am really looking forward to the development launching and assisting all of our visitors in the search for their dream home at Thorn Bearsden Golf Club.